As per a report, India, by most estimates, only has 48,000 ventilators. Nobody quite knows how many of these breathing assistance machines are working. But it is a fair assumption that all those available are being used in intensive care units on existing patients with other diseases. About 1 in 6 people with COVID-19 gets seriously ill, which can include breathing difficulties. The country faces seeing its hospitals hobbled as others around the world have been, with doctors forced to choose who they try to save. At least 2 Indian companies make ventilators at present, mostly from imported components. They cost around $150,000, $1,987, £1,612 rupees each. Oxylife ventilator prototype can be functioned on an experiment lung with user-controlled breath rate and tidal volume. This prototype also structures assist control along with an overpressure alarm. With low power requirements, it can run for 3.5 hours on one battery charge. It has weight of 4 kilograms, has a knob and easy for fasteners. This can exhibit sets and status on a computer screen. It can also incorporate adaptable inspiratory to respiratory ratio. This design is altered to be inoculation shaped. Cam arm shape is improved to safeguard the usage of the maximum effective rolling contact embodiment.
In Oxylife we are aiming to develop world's most cost-effective ventilators within $400, 28,000 Indian rupees.